there's a van car right behind me. Anyway guys, I am at East Side Gallery. So we're actually on what used to be the east side of Berlin, so East Berlin, up until reunification. Sarah David. Now this here is not actually where the wall was. The wall was actually moved a little bit further east to where it is now in 1990. And there is now about a 1,300 metre art gallery. It's open air, you come here, it's free. And there's several different paintings on here of different street art. Obviously some that's quite significant, some that isn't to the wall. But obviously it all has the same kind of message, peace and everything like that. So today I'm only going to focus on East Side Gallery, mainly because of the lateness of the day. Now I do apologise for this. I'm actually in a conference at the moment, so I've actually had to basically study all day, and it's now nearly 4 o'clock, so I'm just going to do this. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is probably the last bit of the wall that was here before reunification. However, obviously, as I said, it's been moved, but let's go and check it out. anyway guys, that is East Side Gallery. I know it was a bit short today. I've got a bit of study to catch up on. So basically tomorrow's going to be a little bit longer. So I'm just going to go and get this train that's just coming in right now and head back to my hostel. So yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed it. I actually really enjoyed the artwork. Obviously some of it was actually destroyed by graffiti artists, but I really did actually enjoy the artwork. So yeah. Alright guys, kakite!